Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna walk you through what I worked on during this hackathon. It's a Pokemon trivia knowledge game called Puzzlemon, and it works entirely in the frame. So for the sake of the demo, I'm not gonna show you how to create a puzzle. I created one directly. So I'm gonna use this puzzle to show you how it works. So let's get started. So once you share the link to a puzzle in a frame compatible app, the person will see those two options. So either start the game or check the leaderboard. Here we're going to start with playing the game. So this is what you see when you start the game. It's a simple grid, and this grid is 3x3 with each row and each column having a specific criteria. And the goal of the game is to find a Pokemon that would match those criteria, and the most unique pick, the more points you get. So let's play the game. So first I pick my column, and then my row and my column, and then I type the name of a Pokemon which I think would match. This fetches a possible result from the database. If I'm not satisfied, I can go back to the search frame and I can pick a different one until I'm satisfied. And once I picked the right Pokemon, I can continue the game, open the grid, or give up. So here I'm just going to continue to show you a different one, just to show you. So here, for instance, Lapras. So it doesn't show you right away if you've made a wrong or a right pick. This is something that you unlock at the end. All right, so now if I want to open the grid, I'm just going to open this in a new tab. And here you need to unlock with your Farcaster account to see what the grid looks like. So this is what puzzlemon is. To quickly show you the code and how it works. So I've used the Pinata FDK to build my frames. I'm working with Astro, and this allows me to create dynamically all the different frames that you've seen. So for each page or each frame that I've showed you, there is a corresponding HTML page, so that even if you're on a frame, you can go back to the HTML version. And on the website, the UI will be more optimized for this usage, but you can also play the game inline if you want to. So yeah, as I said, you can see here, I am getting the frame data. I'm creating the frame data with metadata with the Pinata FDK. And as for the images, I'm just using Satori, and I'm generating the grid and updating it like this. And for the data, it's all stored in a Supabase database, since it's highly interactive. It's more simple. And the goal would be when a puzzle is completed, because puzzles would be time limited, to send a message via XMTP to all participants, for instance. That could be an interesting feature, which I didn't have the time to develop, but which I think could be interesting. So puzzlemon is also XMTP compatible. I've added the feature, so you can also play it in other compatible clients. So yeah, this is puzzlemon. I hope you liked it.